How to hide friends on Facebook new update. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can hide friends on Facebook on new update, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Facebook for some reason always keeps changing the interface and it becomes hard for you on every update to figure out where the options were. Now I'm making a new update on this, but if by any chance you're watching this video in some later years and some later, then in that case just make sure to leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to update and make a new tutorial about it. But so far, as of 11th of September 2023, this is how you do it. You go ahead and then open the Facebook application here, then you just tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Then here you'll find the settings icon over here. You can just tap the settings option, then you'll come to the settings and privacy page, where under tools and resources you can see privacy checkup button. Make sure to tap on it. When you go to privacy checkup, go to who can see what you share, then under who can see what you share, just tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see friends and following. Who can see your friends list on your profile, and now you can set this to only me, and this way you can hide your friends on Facebook on the new update. Just hit the next option and save the changes automatically. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.